Hi there, my name is Elizabeth. I am the Director of Wholesale and Platform at GNX. Today, I'm going to walk you through the new feature of GNX Plus that allows you to freely build your global network. So, let's get this started. As you can see, I have already logged in and you can see the dashboard. From here, we will go to the menu and into the code section. Here, we can see an overview of the past requests that I have made and the option to request a new code, which is what we're going to do now. We have now entered what I would like to call the network design flow. At the top, we can see all the different steps that I need to go through in order to complete this flow and request one or multiple firm codes. We have firstly to create the project, then to select the category of the product I would like to code, and then obviously to design our services. Now we will start with creating a new project by filling in the required information here. I can create a new project name called Global Enterprise V1. I can select also the name of the end customer if I'm given one. And if I have an internal reference name, I can also use it here. It can be GA16789, for example. Then I need to select the category, Global Internet Access. And the next step is to add the sites via the template or side by side. You can easily upload your sites manually or via an Excel by downloading our template. Our templates support addresses and preferences so that you don't have to do that one side by side. To walk you through the flow a bit quicker, I'm going to switch to a request that I was already working on. Here you can see all the different stages of a site. The draft one are the sites that I have just created and I haven't selected any products yet. Selected are the sites that I have already selected products for. Firm is for the products that I have requested firm pricing for and they have been also returned with firm pricing. An order is the bucket where all the services that have been ordered are lying to. Now let's add a site and start designing it. I will have to create a site name if I need to. For example, Paris headquarters. A site reference number, if I have for this site, I can have 12345 PAW. And I will also paste the address for my site, and that's it in Paris. In this screen here, we see that the building has already been identified, which is a very important step for a user to confirm the address. So we have to confirm that the address is correct. And here is where I will start designing my service. For example, for the sake of this demo, let's say that we would require a 100 megabyte service of a DIA of a 3 years term as my primary service, and I will also request a secondary one of another 100 megabyte of a broadband this time. 12 months term is okay, and the diversity type that I would like to have is only last mile diversity. And then I click apply. Now you see the platform is searching through its database of services to give me the most accurate price based on the location, but also the preferences that I have asked for. And here are my results. By default, I get to see 3 results. I can see more details if needed, and I can also request to see more results as well. Highlighted with purple are all the services that are fair, because our platform also supports vendor API integration. So depending on the location and the provider, you can even get firm pricing with a few minutes with this feature. For now, I would like to select this service that is budgetary, and I will continue them through the flow. I will click Add to Request. Then I can see that the site has been added here, and which is the request bucket. This is kind of like my shopping cart of all the services that I have selected, and I would like to request firm pricing for. Here, I can also download an Excel file with all the services, and I can also request to go for firm pricing. I can select here the sites that I would like to send for firm pricing, and with a click of a button, I can request them for firm. And now they appear here. But for the sake of this demo, let's pick up a site that has already been confirmed with firm pricing. For example, this one in Mexico, I can see that both the primary and the secondary service have been completed as firm. And with a click of a button, like this one, I can fill in the details and order it. And then by filling a couple of details that are very important for the service delivery, I can send the order to the GNX provisioning team. For example, let's say that I would like to have the service delivered in the communication room. I need to select who is going to be my local point of contact, who is going to be the delivery contact for this service, who is the order contact as well. So, for example, Irene, who is the billing contact for this service, who needs to sign the customer order form. And then by confirming these necessary details, I can submit the order to our teams. So here I also got a confirmation that the order has been received. And here is a bit of an overview of what to expect next with my order. So first, our team is reviewing the orders, and then if everything is okay, we're going to send you the customer order form to sign it, and then it will end up in with our provisioning team. Pretty straightforward, right? I hope that this video was informative. In case you have any questions or you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out. Our team is always here and ready to help you. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.